He's truly a courageous man. He's taken risks. He's made new trends in Bollywood. So it's just a coincidence that he's doing a movie that named Himmatwala, isn't it, Ajay?
No, I've not taken any risks. I've done, I've done what my heart says, and I've always done that. Yeah, actually, if you say, I started as an action hero. I wanted to do them, and I learned a lot out of them. In fact, two of them gave me a national award also. But apart from that, I did learn a lot out of it. And then came a phase where I thought I should get back into completely commercial zone, and I didn't.
And you took over it. Salman, you and Akshay completely took over it. You'll agree to it, isn't it?
No, nobody takes over. I guess we all have been very lucky in choosing our films, and all the films working. So we're very happy about it.
अजय जब हिम्मतवाला की बात करें तो फिर ये आपसे सभी ने पूछा है पर आई वुड अगेन लाइक टू आस्क यू Ajay Devgan is not very fond of dancing. You always said this. But would you say this has been your best performance till date? तो अब शायद stage वेज में भी
नहीं स्टेज वेज पे तो नहीं होने वाला नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं बट I don't know if it's my best till now, but I really trust my daughter, and she hates my dancing. And she turned around and told me that you've danced for the first time very well. So then I take it as what she's saying.
Ajay, one more question. You know, with Son of Sardar, we had this fantastic song called Pompa where Salman did a little bit of a cameo. And it doesn't very happen too often where we see a big superstar come in a movie and do a cameo and go. And obviously because you guys share a great rapport. But do you think now this will become a trend again? It used to be a trend for sure. But sometime in between, I think Bollywood and the ego clashes and everything, that was disappearing. And you guys kind of brought it back.
No, honestly speaking, all of us who started then, at least 3-4 of us are still there for each other and still always will be there for each other. I mean, Son of Sardar proves it. I just asked Salman to if you would do this. He said yes. I asked Akshay, I want your title, which is a big title for him. He was going to make this film. He said yes. So couple of us, we've always been together. And people can talk about competition and things like this, but we support each other and we are there for each other always. And I don't know about the newer generation, but at least I can speak about 3-4 of us. We are always there for each other.
There you are, the Himmatwala, Ajay Devgan, Rudrani Chatraj with Cameron, Anil, Zoom.